Welcome back to the Transport Bandits. Guess where we're at? Look at there. We're in Uranus.
Yeah, we are. We're deep in there.
It was a billboard that said you could have a lot of fun in Uranus.
So we stopped to see what the fun's all about.
And this is the little store. We are on exit 222 on I-69 headed towards Indianapolis. Uranus Fudge Factory.
Let's go check it out.
Let's go. One lick of Uranus and you'll go nuts. Jeff?
Hey, check it out. They got a Zoltar.
Zoltar is here. Well, Zoltar hangs out at Uranus. Jeff is about to enter Uranus. Oh my gosh.
Waiting for.
Yes.
Over. For a small fee, Zoltar will give you a wealth of wisdom.
Thank you. All right. I've seen billboards for miles, all right?
Yeah.
It said, have fun in Uranus.
The best fun is in Uranus.
The one billboard did say, the best fudge comes from Uranus.
Well, we may have to try packing some fudge in Uranus, right? We can get jellies from Uranus Farms. That's cool.
Look here. Pour one in Uranus.
Love it. Love it. Hey, here's all the fudge that comes out of Uranus.
Y'all looking to get your fudge packed?
Are you, do you give samples?
So you want
get a quick lick of Uranus if you want to?
He wants a quick lick of Uranus. That's
This is too much.
We try it.
Let me try a little bit of Butterfinger.
Butterfinger straight from Uranus. And Butterfinger in Uranus?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying.
Is that the sample you're going to go with? Butterfinger in Uranus.
Yeah, that's right.
I mean, there's only a few fingers you should really be picking in Uranus.
Yeah.
Butter's one of them.
There you go.
This guy's funny.
He knows all. I'm sure he knows all the good ones, all the jokes.
Once you're here long enough, Uranus just comes to you.
Awesome. What's your name?
Mason.
Mason. Hey, Mason. Hey, what's your name?
Caleb.
Caleb. Hey, Caleb.
What's up?
Caleb just
let me
hangs
try
out in
peanut butter.
Uranus.
All the time. Packing fudge.
If it helps from this
Packs fudge all day. The Uranus Space Force Academy.
Come here.
This is the toilet in Uranus. It's the best seat in the house.
You looking to pick some balls out of Uranus?
Here's the balls straight out of Uranus. I may have Jeff pack fudge here in Uranus. Oh, where's that? Oh. Please keep Uranus clean.
Yep. Very important.
Have you had your fudge packed yet? No, but I did get my nuts bagged.
Peanut butter melts away, peanut butter chips, all that in here, and we got peanut butter.
Let's check this place out. It's so cool.
Welcome to Uranus.
See, everybody gets a welcome, hearty welcome into Uranus. Hi, how y'all doing? All right, are we gonna have to look at the shirts, of course. Here you can get an assortment of shirts with the great sayings on them, such as the Uranus, Indiana Fudge Packers Union, proudly packing fudge in Uranus since 2015. Best fudge comes from Uranus. Poker in the front, Uranus, liquor in the rear. Jeff, did you find you a shirt?
I don't think so. No.
No. Uranus mortuary. We bury him deep in Uranus.
All right, I found the shirt that I'm going to buy Cheryl.
Me?
This
The
is
Uranus Fudge Factory. The best fudge comes from Uranus.
This is your
That is.
shirt.
I love it. I'm going to get me a shirt. I'm going to have to do it. And, you know, it's not only fudge here. You can buy an assortment of candies and goodies. Just have a fun time here. A lot of kids' toys here. Very dinosaur friendly.
Hey, Cheryl,
Yeah.
you can get some cream from Uranus.
Cream from Uranus.
Yeah, right here.
Ice cream. There's always something more to see in Uranus.
Mercy.
All giant green army men. What have you found there, Jeff?
I found a squirrel that I dislike extreme. I dislike this squirrel.
That's a squirrel riding a bicycle in a circus.
Yeah, I dislike it though.
And rats. It's a rat circus.
So if I ever have like a little boo-boo, I can get myself a bacon bandage here. Useful and delicious.
What have you got right here? Hold on. What is this? Emergency underpants.
Yeah, I do need these.
Okay, that's it for our tour of Uranus.
Yeah, hope you had fun. We did.
We have fun in Uranus.
It's kind of funny. It really is.
You really should stop here. It's at exit 222 on I-69,
Yeah, I mean,
right before Indianapolis if you're headed south.
Yeah, so, you know, come explore Uranus. It's fun.
Absolutely. If you like the video, press the like button. That's it for us, Transport Bandits.
Out.